Okay, so we've just seen that the term halogen means a salt former. That means when a group 7 element combines with a metal, as in chlorine combining with sodium, we get a salt. So that is where they get their name halogens from. Now let's look at some of the properties of halogens. Now, almost all halogens exist as gases. They are not just gases, but they are colored diatomic gases. For example, we have chlorine, Cl2. That means we have two chlorine atoms combining to give us a chlorine gas molecule. And that is why we say they are diatomic. That means we have one and then two chlorines together. Now, as you move down the group, the color becomes darker. As you move down the group, the color becomes darker. So the top, which is fluorine, is somehow yellow. If you move down to chlorine, you get a green gas. When you move down to bromine or bromine, you get a volatile brown liquid. It is volatile because once you expose it to air, it will evaporate. That is why we say it is volatile. The same applies to iodine. Iodine is also a volatile purple solid. Now, when you expose iodine to air, it will evaporate. So you can also see that as you move down, they get darker. As you move down, the bonds get closer, because for a gas, for these two gases, their particles are spread apart. Now, once they get very closer and bonds start to form, we get a liquid. Now, as you move down to iodine, that means the bonds become stronger, and then we get a solid. So the bonds in between them become stronger as you move down the group, and then the gases become darker. So here we say many of their physical properties show a gradual change with increasing atomic number. Remember, as you move down the group, the atomic number increases.